Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming the Google account and the payment method tied to Play Store. This avoids mismatched credentials. Open Play Store, tap your profile, and verify the email matches the purchase account. Next, inspect the card details, expiry, CVV, and billing address, because banks block mismatches. Once done, make sure your device's date, time, and region settings match your billing country. Inconsistent locale or clock often triggers authorization failures, so correct them before continuing to attempt a purchase. Now proceed to refresh Play components to remove corrupted credentials. Go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Google Play Store. Clear cache and, if necessary, clear data to reset the app state. Repeat for Google Play Services and Google Services framework so tokens refresh. Once cleared, reopen Play Store and re-add the payment method, or remove and re-add the Google account. This forces a fresh authorization. If errors persist, switch to an alternate payment option like PayPal or a gift card to isolate the issue. Finish by checking transaction history and any decline messages from your bank. Banks commonly block unfamiliar charges, so call them to authorize Play Store payments. If the problem continues, open Play Store Help, report the exact error code, and include the transaction ID so support can trace the failure. Make sure to back up app data and settings. If all else fails and account tokens remain stuck, a factory reset can clear deep configuration issues, though use it only after exhausting support and banking checks.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.